In today's video, I will show you how to unpublish a Qualtrics survey. First, open your browser, go to the official site of Qualtrics, and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, open the project you want to take offline. Unpublishing your survey is a crucial step when you have finally collected enough responses or reached your research deadline, as it prevents any extra, stray data from mixing into your final results. Once you are inside your project, go to the Distributions tab located at the top of the page. From there, click on Pause Response Collection. Qualtrics will then ask you to choose how to handle people currently taking the survey. You can either let them finish their active sessions or close them out immediately and record them as partial data, and then you just confirm your choice. Alternatively, you can manage this right from your main dashboard. Go to the Projects page, click the three dots menu right next to your survey title, and select Close from the drop-down options. A window will appear asking you to choose how to handle people currently taking the survey again, letting you decide whether to allow them to finish or cut them off. And then, you simply confirm to take the survey down. And that's it. That's how you unpublish a Qualtrics survey.